Eevelle designs and manufactures high-quality performance products for those who love the outdoors. WindStorm T-top boat covers by Eevelle are a waterproof line of semi-custom boat covers that are handcrafted in North America. WindStorm covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They're made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit. Windstorm Cooltech T-top boat covers are manufactured with Aqualon Edge Cooltech marine-grade fabric that is uniquely designed to be 100% waterproof and reduce heat buildup under the cover by 30%. Windstorm boat covers come with an 8-year warranty and rot-proof double-stitched seams. Cooltech covers are available in popular colors. All Windstorm covers come with reinforced nose cone and rear corners, providing extra strength and protection. Windstorm boat covers feature a heavy-duty sewn-in shock cord in the hem. This will hold the cover in place and reduce billowing. Windstorm boat covers include a free XT strap kit with 12 10-foot heavy-duty cover straps. Sewn-in strap loops at 2-foot intervals provide a variety of options for strapping down the cover. Heavy-duty zipper on port side allows easy access to cockpit without having to remove the cover. Each cover includes 2 side vents to promote ventilation and reduce heat buildup. Windstorm series covers also include a convenient stuff sack for easy storage. Windstorm T-top boat covers are high-performance, full-featured covers made with Aqualon Cooltech marine-grade fabric. Windstorm Cooltech covers are designed to provide years of waterproof protection. Eevelle, quality and performance by design.